Today I'm in Pasco County at one of my absolute favorite communities, Mirada. We're going to be taking a look at one of two townhome products brought to you by Dreamfinders Homes. Now, this builder is a bit new to the area, but they are coming in making big waves in this lagoon community by bringing an elevated townhome product. I'm Jen Snells, your Florida realtor and mortgage loan originator, and in just a moment we're going to take a look at what that offers. But before I do, I just want to point out that this is one of the few sections in Mirada that is gated and has its own amenities. From a playground, pickleball courts to half-court basketball, this little subsection offers big value. Without further ado, let's take a look at what Dreamfinders is bringing to this beautiful enclave of Mirada.